Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to come on and I decided to come and revamp my Make It 3 palette. I haven't used it in a while and I was actually looking at it the other day and there's some really nice colors in here. And I've used it, but not as much as I should have been. I've really been using this color right here, which is Nooner. But I'm just going to come in today and see what I can come up with from this palette here. And I'm just going to go off camera and prime my eyes real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and my eye is primed. And I'm just going to do one eye at a time. Simply because I don't know what look I'm going for. And I just want to make sure I keep everything the same and I don't mess anything up. I'm going to go in first with this color Limit, this one right here. I'm going to use that as a base all over my lid. Alright, after that color Limit, I'm going to go in to Nooner, which is that shade right there. I'm just going to go right below it. Okay, now that I got those two colors in, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with Factory, which is this color right here. Okay, after Factory, I'm going to go in to the color Dark Side, which is that one right there. I'm going to go back into Dark Side. Now that I have those set, I'm going to go in the middle of my lid and I'm going to take Trick, which is this color right here. This golden color. And I'm just going to spritz my brush a little bit. Okay, now that I have that eye done, and I'm pretty satisfied with it, I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of Trick and place it right on top right there. Okay, I'm pretty much done with this eye. I'm going to go off camera and do the other eye and then I'm going to come back. And this is pretty much the finished look on the eyes. I'm going to go in and do my foundation and then come back and do my lower lash line. Okay, for foundation I'm going to go in with my Clinique Stay Matte Foundation. And this is in the color 24 Golden. Right, for concealer, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, now that we have our concealer set, not set, but blended out, I'm going to go in with my RCMA No Color Powder. And this is something that I picked up from Wayne Goss. And what I like to do, I'm going to take a little bit of that and I have it mixed in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I have it mixed in the top up here. And just take those two powders together and tap off the excess. Just get it on my brush and tap it off. Next, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm going to use the Lorac Tantalizer Bronzer and Highlight Duo. And it is this. So that shade is just dark enough for my skin tone. Alright, now I'm going to go back into that Naked palette, and I'm going to take the brush we use for our crease. I'm going to go into Dark Side. And I'm taking that along the bottom lash line. Alright, and then next I'm going to go into Nooner and go right beneath that just to blend it out. We are going to go in with our liner, and I'm going to use my Limelight Perfect Eyeliner pen. And I really like this one because it has a brush tip. And it's not felt, like it's literal. It's like a brush. And it makes it really easy to do my liner. Let me zoom in so you guys can see the liner. Okay guys, I'm back, and basically what I did, I just finished my liner and I applied my lips, and I used the NYX Lip Lingerie, and this is in the color, where's the color? Bustier. And I also use the NYX Suede Lip Pencil in the color Maison. And I think it paired pretty well with the eye. And next I'm just going to go in and apply my contour. And what am I going to do contour today? Oh, yeah, I'm going to do my contour, and then I am going to go in and apply my blush and highlight. For blush, I'm going to go with this CoverGirl Cheekers in the color. I'm going to go in with my The Balm Meat Matte Luminizer, or no, Betty Luminizer. Next I'm going to apply my mascara, and this is the Limelight Perfect Mascara. And the tube is really pretty. Let's see. And I like this because it adds just a little bit of length, and it's not clumpy. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I am pretty happy with how it turned out. It's not over, well, I don't know, it's a little bit extra, but I like it. I'm not going to apply any lashes just because I just don't feel like it today, and I don't really need them. But this is the eye look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.